What's going on, everybody? Today we're going to go through the basics on how to use Microsoft Word. To open up Word, over here, click the icon. Alright, Microsoft Word has a bunch of different templates you can use, so it can help you out with different things such as brochures and reports. But for this case, we're just going to use a blank document. Alright, at the top here we have a bunch of different options. We have Home, Insert, Draw, Design. I'm going to go through a few here. For the font section, this will teach you the text itself. This will go through all the different font sizes, font types. So I'm just going to type a sentence here. Now we can see that if I highlight it, we can change the font up. We can change the size, also change the color. Now, over here with the paragraph, this is where you kind of format your papers. So right here we have a left alignment, and if you highlight it, we can do a center alignment, which moves it to the center, and we can even put it all the way to the right. Now, a lot of times when you're writing a paper, you need to have double space, and right here is where you can have your spacings. So 2.0, and that means when you hit space, you will have double spacing now. A good thing when writing papers too is having a page number. So for page numbers, we go to Insert here. This will give you the option to have page breaks, another blank page. But we're going to go to a page number, the page number setting right here. And this will give us many different options on where we can put the page number. So we can go top of the page. We have options to go to the bottom of the page, do it in the margins. So for this case, we're just going to go to the top of the page here, and it will give you a setting to where you can type whatever you want. So I'll have my last name, and then a page number will appear. So now we can close this out. Then if we go to a different page, go all the way down, it automatically pops up to a new one. And that is the basics of Microsoft Word.